Samsung Curved Monitor Power Cord. Meet the essential accessory for your Samsung Curved Monitor, the Power Cord. Designed for durability and a clutter-free workspace, it's perfect for professionals and tech enthusiasts alike. Simplify your life with this sleek, efficient solution. Searching for a reliable power cord? The VHBW Power Cord is your go-to. It's custom-made for Samsung monitors, ensuring a secure fit and safe charging. With short-circuit protection and a USB port for convenience, it's a top choice. Works like a charm, perfect fit for my monitor. Need a versatile power cord? Cable Creations 10-foot cord is compatible with various brands, including Samsung. 190-degree angle plug. Work perfectly for a scooter. Great replacement cable. On the hunt for a dependable adapter? Safrufo's got you covered. It's designed for a range of Samsung monitors and offers quick charging, nice price, and consistently powers my monitor. For a tailored power solution, consider Solbay's 14V3A AC adapter. It's compatible with Samsung monitors and comes with short-circuit protection. With an 8.9-foot reach and certifications for safety, it's a reliable choice. Functions perfectly with my Samsung display. Choose the right Samsung Curved Monitor Power Cord for uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. Whether you're replacing or seeking a backup, these cords are up to the task. Make the smart choice today.